CVC words.
CVC words are three-letter words that consist of a consonant, vowel, consonant.
For example, CAT cat, POT pot, SIP sip, HEN hen. What are vowels and consonant? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Other alphabets are called consonant. There are some CVC words. CAT cat, DOG dog, FAN fan, LIP lip, CAP cap, MAT mat, JAM jam, BAG bag,